Hola estudiantes, soy la profesora González. I'm going to give you the instructions for your assignment that is due on Diciembre 12, but that you are going to start today in class. If you cannot finish the project in class, you can continue working at home. So basically, you are going to design an árbol genealógico, family tree, in Canva. Canva is not difficult to work on, but I'm going to give you the instructions of what you need to do. So the first thing that you need to do is to search on the internet, Canva, and or you can just click directly here. So let's go to the internet, Canva. You select this option. I already have an account, but you need to create an account, and once that you do it, you are going to see what you are seeing right now. So here you are going to click family tree. You're going to choose that. Let's search, and you have many beautiful templates. Please choose the ones that don't have these icons because they mean that you have to pay. So choose the template that you like it. For example, this is so beautiful. This is also very beautiful. I really like this one. But look, all the options that you have. This is also beautiful, but you have to pay. This is beautiful. Oh, this is very nice too. Okay, I think that I'm going to choose this one. Bonitos. Bonitos, bonitos, bonitos. So choose the one that you like it. I'm going to choose this. And one more time, Canva is not difficult, but just pay attention to this. So you have these options here. Here you can add elements. So you type something here, anything, for example, family, mama, look, or mother. Well, in my case this is in English, so mother, and you have all these options. You click here, and then you can place this over here. You can control the size. You can delete it too. Uploads. In my case, of course, I'm going to upload pictures of my relatives here. As you need to write some information, you are going to write 4 sentences per person. So in total, it's 5 people in your family minimum. If you want to include more, that's amazing. But minimum is 5 people in your family. Be creative, include pictures, and you are going to write the name of each person, their relationship, occupation, okay? If you don't want to talk about your family, okay, that's fine. Choose another family and do it about them. Nice. So let's go back here. So I'm going to delete these pictures, of course, because I'm not going to use these people. I don't know who they are. Borrar. 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 Y borrar. Y aquí voy a escribir mi familia. This is in English, but I'm going to. Mi familia González. Mi familia González. Of course, in your case, you use the last name of your family. Mi familia González. I'm going to move this aquí. Excelente. Aquí voy a poner una foto de mi abuela. Abuela, abuela, abuela. So I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to have this. Abuela, bonito. I'm going to upload other pictures. Let's say I'm going to include the picture of my father, Papa, aquí. My pin is loading. I selected. It's going to appear here. I'm going to put it aquí. Muy bien. Excelente. I can put all the pictures of my uncles here. So let's see what happens if I say duplicate. That's good because I want to put the picture of my brother. So here is going to be me. So uploads, file. I'm going to choose a picture of me. Muy bien. I'm waiting here. Selected, put it here. I'm going to put a photo of my brother, hermano. Una foto de mi hermano aquí. Hermano, hermano. Está cargando. Aquí, muy bien. I'm going to move this a little bit. Because mi hermano tiene una hija, mi sobrina. So, vamos aquí. I'm going to move all this. This is very easy to work on. So, duplicate. You can choose another template, of course. I chose this one. Sobrina, mi sobrina. This is mi sobrina. Yeah, aquí, perfecto. Perfecto, perfecto. Of course, one more time, you can put all the pictures. If you need more spaces, you just duplicate. I'm going to put a picture of mi mamá, mi mamá, mi mamá, mi mamá. Mi mamá. Aquí, mi mamá. Okay, good. Here, and again, you put all the pictures that you need. I'm going to put an element. Oh, mira esto bonito. I'm going to put something in here. You make it as you really want to. And then let's go to these sentences. So I'm going to, and you can make this a little bigger. Yeah, you can control the size so that way you can see better. Nombre de mi abuela, Neisa González. I'm going to type here, Neisa González. And here you can control the size of the font, the type of font. Okay, the color. I don't know what color you want. And you can animate as you want to. Look at that. But it is going to be a picture, so I don't really recommend these options. Okay? But it's up to you. Here I'm going to say abuelita. Ella, full sentences. Ella es mi abuela. O abuelita, abuela. So let's see what other sentences I need to include. I already have pictures. I already have the name, relationship, and occupation. Actually, it's 3 sentences. 3. So ella es mi abuela. Ella, I'm going to make it up. Ella es una enfermera. Okay, I'm going to make this like this. And again, you can change the color, everything. So be creative. And this is basically what you are going to do with all the people that you include here. The name, the relationship, the occupation, but always full sentences. Okay, so let's pretend I already did with everybody in my family. So if you want to download this here, share, you have 2 options. You can copy the link, or I recommend download. I'm going to download it as a picture. So you can download it or as a PDF. It also works as you really want to. You have different options. So PDF standard. Let's choose this option. Download. Un momentito. This is downloading here. Already downloading my computer. I forgot to put the name, sorry. So before that you do the download thing, so go in Familia, you write your name. So Maria Gonzalez, here you write your name. Honors Spanish1, and then you download it. Here, this is what you are going to submit here in Canvas, okay? If you have questions, please let me know, and make sure that you have all the pictures, that you have the sentences. For example, in this case, I make it up. My grandma is not a nurse, but she doesn't have a job, so I make it up, so you can make it up. Adiós, adiós.